to this daily news, and today's topic for this news is balance. And balance, what is balance actually? Well, I'm just gonna say that balance is between this and this. You have to be good. So if you're having a bad habit in emotion, you have to be happy, not angry all the time. So some happy, some angry, but don't be angry. And yeah, so my friend, my reporter Enrique, will be interviewing the most famous teacher about balance, which is Brandon Young. So Enrique, to you.
Hello, my name is Enrique and this is the famous teacher, Brandon Young. What is the type of balance, bro?
There's 3 types of balance, young man.
Yeah, bro!
First is smart, it means he's intellectual. Second is physical, it means he's have good body.
Like me.
Damn. And the last is emotion, so you can handle the emotion.
Okay, so can you proceed to the next one?
Okay, now we're gonna talk about a quick sample of balance, but in physical first. There, they are good example of balance. You know why? Because they eat the right portion and they do some sport, so their body is good. But not like him. He eat me instant noodle, Indomie, and etc. But look at this guy. He's my friend. He's got good sweat and his weight is tall. Look at him, so good. So that's why they call the good balance. But not that guy.
How about me?
Of course not.
How about me?
Absolutely not.
How about
Giant, get up from here. You guys are a bad example of balance. So get off. So after this, we're gonna talk about.
Sir, let's take a break for a commercial.
Kokari.
I feel fast now!
Congratulations, you win! You win! You win now! You win now! You're so fast, man! But congratulations, you win! You win! Makanya, minumlah Kokari! Drink!
Kokari, healthy and good.
Sensational energy drink!
Oh, okay, so we are back from the commercial break. Please proceed, Mr. Brandon.
Okay, I'm gonna talk about the emotional of balance. La 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 la. Oh, so sorry, we're back now. Now I'm gonna tell you about. Let me think about good balance of emotions. If you want to be good balance of emotion, you should think positive. Don't ever think negative. Example, if you're bullied by someone, think the bright side. Don't think the negative side. If you think the bright side, maybe you can be better man and you're not bullied by someone again. The bright side example of being bullied is you have to bully again the bullies again the bullier. So it's equal. If they don't like it, you have to fight against them. Or you can just ignore them. Don't follow my first step because it's weird. Sounds weird. Think that they don't do anything to you. Be happy, don't be emotional, and remember these words. Be a good balance. I hate this world. I hate soccer. I hate them. Hey kids, come here. Why did you push me? I slipped down by the mud. So what? Get up from here. Don't kid. It's a bad example of emotion balance. Now I'm gonna tell you about the last one. It is intellectual balance. Let's check it out, bro. Oh, Rayhan! He's a good example of intellectual balance. You know what? Can you give me some question?
Okay, what is 2 times 2?
49.
Oh my god, what is 49? It's 4, my god.
How do you know?
Because it's math, duh.
Oh, see? He's good at math. If you think that guy is a really good example of intellectual balance because he's smart, he's diligent, and he's smart to make another language. Don't be like me. I don't like some subject. Example, maths, music, and that's super. So if you want to be intellectual balance, just study hard, be diligent, never give up. That's the quote for me. Never give up. You can't see me.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Brandon.
You're welcome. Okay, goodbye.